Whoa, so we have a big update on March by Amazon, but hold on. March by Amazon is an old school name now because there's no March by Amazon in real thing from now on. It is now Amazon March on Demand. You can see here. So the Amazon just decided to rename their POD platform, and the Merch by Amazon is the old name. And for any new person who will be knowing about this Amazon merchandise selling option, they'll know about Amazon March on Demand. They will, if they hear about March by Amazon, then they will ask, "Hey, what is this?" They won't know about this because it doesn't exist anymore. It is now Amazon March on Demand. Everything is same, and there is nothing changed on the functionality, on the sales, or on the whatever it is. It may change later, but for now everything is same. The only thing that changed is the name of this platform, and it feels like a little goosebumps for me because March by Amazon is a name that attached to my feelings because I have been using this platform for from since 2019. So it's been 3 years now. Though I have been working consistently for last 1 year, still the word or the name March by Amazon is something else for me because it has some emotion for me. I have been doing this for 3 years, and I have earned a lot from here, and it has given me a lot so far. So it is something special for me. But now the identity is new, and it is now Amazon Merchant Demand. And let's see, let's see how it goes. But yeah, this is the update. Any new person coming to learn about Amazon merchandise, they will know about Amazon Merchant Demand, not March by Amazon. Let me know your thought about this in the comment section because it is a different thing. It's I never expected this one. I'm not sure if anyone else from March by Amazon community expected this. And also going forward, I know content creator will find a difficulty because all of their old videos are named as March by Amazon, including mine. So if any new person come to know and learn about Amazon March on Demand, they will just search on YouTube as Amazon March on Demand. They won't search for March by Amazon, but all the previous videos are with the name of March by Amazon. So it's a mixed experience. I'm not sure how it will go, but it's interesting to see. And I won't rename my older videos. They will remain the same as March by Amazon because they are something special. I want to keep them alive. And but going forward, for sure, I'll just upload the videos with the new name that is Amazon March on Demand. So yeah, and by the way, it's been a long time since I made video for you guys, but I've been promising you guys again and again, but I failed to retain my promise. So this time I won't promise you, but I will just surprise you with my new videos shortly. So till then, just stay in touch with me and happy March. Thank you guys.